Before moving on to the chapter 1, I just want to mention one final tidbit about these open and closed circles and what they signify. So in this particular problem, it turned out that the line was closed on the left over here. The line on the right was closed at the end, but the line in the middle was open on both sides. So what does it mean to say open and close in these scenarios? It literally means that the line is touching the border at that location. So in this case, we say that the circle is closed. In other terms, the line is actually touching the border. And similarly, the line on the right is touching the border at the point where x is 2 and the y is 4. So we say that these circles are closed because the line in fact touches the border at that location. Now, the top two circles that you're seeing are both open. What are we saying? Well, we're saying that the line is actually not able to touch the dashed lines right there. So basically the graph is contained between 0 and 2, but it doesn't touch the point 5 right there. That's why I'm writing an open circle over here. And so again, make sure that you indicate that very well. So in this case, I'm going to make it a massive circle and I'm going to keep it open. And similarly, on the other side, the line is not able to reach the border. So it's kind of stopping a little bit short of the border. And how do we say that it's stopping a little short of the border? We put an open circle right there because we cannot, we don't have any better way of saying it stops shorter of the border. So that's kind of like why we put the open circles and the closed circles on the graphs. So if I told you, what's the value of the function at the point, for example, 2, you would say 4, not 5, because at 5 the circle is open, but at 4 the circle is closed. So when x is 2, the y-coordinate is actually 4. Similarly, if I said, what's the y-coordinate when x is 0? When x is 0, the y-coordinate is actually 2, because that's where the closed circle is, not 5, where the open circle is. So always pick the closed circle.